Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn some daily use English sentences. एक और बात, one more thing. बहुत गर्म है, it's very hot. कोशिश करते रहो, keep on trying. बस ऐसे ही, just like that. जल्दबाजी मत करो, don't be hasty. बहुत हो गया, enough is enough. कहाँ जाना है, where to go. क्या शुरू करें, shall we start. कितना आसान है, it's so simple. मुझे परवाह नहीं, I don't care. वो बाहर है, she is out. कुछ नहीं होगा, nothing will happen. सब तैयार रखो, get everything set. कोई नहीं बोला, no one spoke. इसे साफ रखना, keep it clean. यहाँ पर आओ, come over here. मेरा सिर झुकाओ, duck my head. 5 तक गिनो, count to 5. बस 1 मिनट, just a minute. ये असली है, this is genuine. कोई इच्छा मांगो, make a wish. कुछ कम है, something is missing. पहले ये पढ़ो, read this first. हमसे बात करो, talk to us. मेरी बात पढ़ो, read after me. इसे जल्दी करो, make it quick. सब फेंक दो, throw away everything. काम करते रहो, keep on working. किसी और समय, some other time. खुद को संभालो, pull yourself together. तुम लाजवाब हो, you are unbeatable. उसे मत छुओ, get off him. उसे अंदर भेजो, send her in. इसे बंद करो, turn it off. शनिवार को आना, come on Saturday. एक मोमबत्ती जलाओ, light a candle. फोन कर देना, give a ring. वो मतलबी है, she is selfish. सबने अच्छा किया, everyone did well. वह हार रही है, she is losing. बैठ जाओ, grab a seat. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, okay, no problem. बस पीछे हट जाओ, just back away. थोड़ी देर सो लो, take a nap. तुम्हारा ज़्यादा अच्छा है, yours is better. उसे घर ले जाओ, take that home. बस अब चले जाओ, now just leave. आस-पास देखते रहो, keep looking around. लो आ गई मुसीबत, here comes trouble. बस बातें करते रहो, just keep talking. सबका स्वागत है, everyone is welcome. अपना वादा याद रखना। Remember your promise. Remember your promise. मुझ पर विश्वास करो। Count on me. Count on me. वहाँ पर बैठ जाओ। Sit over there. Sit over there. इसे सुनो। Listen to this. Listen to this. आकर मेरी मदद करो। Come help me. Come help me. देखो क्या हो गया। Look what happened. Look what happened. मेरे सवाल का जवाब दो। Answer my question. Answer my question. मुझसे पूछा गया। I was asked. I was asked. किसने पूछा तुमसे? Who asked you? Who asked you? उसने पूछा मुझसे। She asked me. She asked me. हाँ जगा दूंगी। Yes I will. Yes I will. चोरी हो गई। It's been stolen. It's been stolen. मेरी कसम खाओ। Swear by me. Swear by me. भगवान की कसम खाओ। Swear by God. Swear by God. क्या प्लान है तुम्हारा? What's your game? What's your game? बात क्या है? What's the matter? What's the matter? अपना रास्ता पकड़ो। Go your way. Go your way. ताने मत मारो। Do not taunt. Do not taunt. और उस दिन and that day. And that day. कुछ मत बोलो। Don't say anything. Don't say anything. शर्त लगानी है। Want to bet. Want to bet. उसे नीचे रखो। Put that down. Put that down. जाकर कुछ करो। Go do something. Go do something. अब जाने दो। Now let go. Now let go. चाबियां ले आओ। Bring the keys. Bring the keys. समय कीमती है। Time is precious. Time is precious. मेरी राय मानो। Take my advice. Take my advice. मेरे पीछे रहना। Stay behind me. Stay behind me. अब मजे लो। Now have fun. Now have fun. सीधे चलते रहो। Keep going straight. Keep going straight. चुपचाप बाहर आओ। Come out quietly. Come out quietly. इसे धीमा करो। Turn it down. Turn it down. पासवर्ड डालो। Enter the password. Enter the password. फिर मिलना। See me again. See me again. क्या करना है? What to do? What to do? कुछ और दिखाओ। Show something else. Show something else. उसे बचाओ मत। Don't defend him. Don't defend him. आराम से करो। Take your time. Take your time. मुझे उतार दो। Drop me off. Drop me off. इसे खुला ही रखो। Keep it open. Keep it open. मैं जा रहा हूँ। I'm going. I'm going. गाय को खाना खिलाओ। Feed the cow. Feed the cow. ये किनारा पकड़ो। Hold this edge. Hold this edge. कौन सा लेना है? Wish to take. Wish to take. यहाँ से दूर। Far from here. Far from here.